Hi there, Trevor Knesal with NextHome Treasure Valley here in South Meridian to tell you about a nice home that just hit the market. This home is a short 4-minute walk from the Bellingham Park Community Pool, a 2-minute bike ride from Renaissance Park in the neighboring Tuscany subdivision, and just 1 mile from top-rated Siena Elementary. Access to Interstate 84 is just 3 miles away. Other nearby attractions include a new YMCA, Wahoo's Family Fun Zone, and Roaring Springs Water Park. The home is currently the only home in the Bellingham Park subdivision on the market, and the only 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home in all of South Meridian priced under $300,000. I don't expect this home to stay on the market for very long, so please feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, to have a closer look at it in person.